Hello kids, welcome to the Magic Fruit Garden. Look around, it is so colorful. Let's meet our fruit friends. Apple. This is an apple. Apple is red. Apple looks shiny. Apple is very yummy. Say it with me. Apple. Banana. This is a banana. Banana is yellow. Banana is long. Banana gives energy. Say it with me. Banana. Mango. This is a mango. Mango is sweet. Mango is juicy. Mango is very tasty. Say it with me. Mango. Orange. This is an orange. Orange is round. Orange is bright. Orange is healthy. Say it with me. Orange. All fruits together. Apple and banana. Mango and orange.